Okay, we got the strawberry garden all cleaned out. We spent probably, I would say, an hour, maybe a few minutes more. The only reason it took so long is we cleaned it out real good, but we also tried getting out these grape hyacinths and give those away on Facebook. We popped all the bulbs out. This used to be a big flower bed that years ago I converted into all these strawberry plants, but it keeps popping up bulbs, so we keep digging them up and giving them away on Facebook. Probably gave away a couple hundred that I was able to dig up. But all of this growth, you see all this tall stuff, is from years ago. Look, see that? Look, there's a grape hyacinth right there. I missed one. All these are runners I planted last year, so they're all doing real well. And then anywhere there was an opening, I just watered these. I meant to water them this morning, but they'll bounce back. I transplanted a runner I found in the middle over here. We ended up only buying 4 brand new strawberry plants. I think she went with all Ozark Beauty. So there's one there, there's another one there, and then we planted 3 here. Yeah, we only planted 4, so we only spent $12 on this whole thing. As you can see, it's May 7th right now, and we've got strawberries that need to be picked. So we'll keep track and see how many I get in the year. I love that I got all this dirt they can live in, and the strawberries will send runners in the gaps of my barn. But we'll let them go. They'll produce strawberries. Still got a few weeds here popping up. It's amazing. You dig up these grape hyacinths, man. They come back every year with a vengeance. Yep, see, there's a bulb right there. I dug up hundreds of them and gave them away this weekend. But I'll show you the progress throughout the summer and show you how many strawberries we get from this little spot, and we'll go from there. Okay, I finished my garden as well as the expansion on it. If you saw the first little part of this, it took me every bit of 3 hours, no less than 3 hours. I broke a shovel in the process. Some words were said that don't need to be aired. It was a battle, but it was worth it because I'm glad I've got it now. But from right here all the way to here took maybe 20 minutes, because this was my old garden. You can actually see, if you can look, how nice and dark the dirt is from me dumping kitchen scraps in here all winter. I'm not going to put any amenities whatsoever in this soil. It's ready to plant right now. And then you can see from right here to obviously the end of the garden was the expansion part where I expanded this year. And let me tell you, I will definitely do it different if I ever did it again. The tarps that I laid down for 8 weeks was not nearly enough to kill the grass, and I had to do a lot of digging. Snapped one of my shovels in half. Probably made, I bet you I made no less than 100 passes with my tiller, just trying to turn this up. And then what's kind of cool is you can see how light brown it is. Like, it's still kind of tight. It's still a little tough. Have to plant some stuff in here to bust this up over this planting season. But it's a light brown, like it's got no nutrients, where this is a nice dark brown where I planted all my scraps all year. So that's something to pay attention to. But the garden is done. Ended up being 30 feet by 33 feet, and the next video you'll see is what we're going to plant, so stay tuned for that.